Separation of substances, class 6th, chapter 5, question E and F. Question E. Give reasons for each of the following. First one is, it is necessary to separate the component of a mixture. We have to give reason. Answer. The separation of component in the mixture is necessary to obtain useful component from the mixture. If we want to obtain useful component from the mixture, then we have to do separation. Second point is to remove impurities or unwanted material from the mixture. If we want to remove impurities or unwanted material from the mixture, then we need to separate the component of the mixture. Now the question 2. In winnowing, grains and husks form two separate heaps. We have to give reason. The answer is the grains. Being heavier, they falls almost vertically down, while the lighter chaff, this is carried away by the moving wind, making a separate heap away from the grains. Chaff, it makes separate heap at some distance away from the grains, and the grains, they fall vertically down. In this way, chaff and grains get separated. Question number 3. Bran can be separated from wheat flour by sieving. Answer is wheat flour particles. They are very smaller in size than the pores in the sieve, and the bran particles, they are bigger in size as compared to the pores in the sieve. So the wheat flour particles, they pass through the sieve, while the bigger brown particles, so they are left in the sieve and hence are separated from each other. Brown particles, they are left on the sieve, and the wheat flour particles, so they pass down in the another container. Now question 4. Size of holes in a filtering device should be smaller than the size of the particles to be separated. Our guests come to the answer. If the size of the holes in the filtering device is larger than the size of the particle to be separated, then the particles, they would pass through the filtering device and cannot be separated. Hence, the size of the holes in the filtering device should be smaller than the size of particles to be separated. Otherwise, they cannot be separated. Now, question 5. Salt added to water disappears upon stirring. Salt distributes uniformly in water and forming a homogeneous solution. So salt added to water disappear upon stirring. Upon stirring, it forms homogeneous solution and it is distributed uniformly in water. So it get disappear. Number 4. Give an example of filtration at home. Straining tea leaves. Children, when we prepare tea, so we have to strain it. So straining tea leaves from tea. This is an example of filtration at home. Now the question 5. Define condensation. Answer is the process in which a gas changes into a liquid state is called condensation, or we can say water vapor changes into the liquid water drops. This process is called condensation.